Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll talk about using a credit card for a down payment on a car. Long story short, it might be possible to make a car down payment with a credit card depending on your dealer's policy. But even if you can use a credit card for a down payment, it's usually not a good idea. It would almost certainly result in very high credit card utilization and an increase in your debt-to-income ratio. That could cause a drop in your credit score right when you're applying for an auto loan, which could in turn cost you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. And that's if the lower score results in a higher interest rate. It could also cause your application to be straight up rejected. So with that being said, if you really want to use a credit card for a down payment on a car, here's when that could make sense. When the dealer accepts credit cards and doesn't charge a lot extra for using a credit card, and when you have a plan for paying off the resulting credit card balance that allows you to save money compared to other payment options. So for instance, this could include using a 0% credit card and bringing your balance to zero by the time your regular interest rates kick in. Putting the payment on a card with a large spending bonus or other valuable rewards could be a big help too. But in the end, using a credit card for the down payment on a car probably just is not the best idea if it's even possible. There's usually a wide range of expenses associated with the new car though, like gas, that you can definitely charge to a credit card. You can see which gas credit cards Wallet Hub's editors recommend by clicking the button here.